Hi, welcome back to the Ketos YouTube channel. So today we're going to take a look at how to onboard FIDO2 keys on behalf of your users before you ship them. If you haven't watched our video of how they can just self-service bootstrap with government ID or MFA, I'm going to link it down below. But if you've already watched that and you're like, nah, I still want to bootstrap the credentials before sending them for certain reasons, either compliance or process or whatever, this is a video for you. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is go to our EZCMS instance. Once we're here, we're gonna add enable IT desk smart card creation for the domain that you want to do it. In this case, I'm just gonna add myself, but you can add groups, you can add other things. So in here, I'm just gonna click Save Changes, and I'm gonna go to my application. So in my application, this little admin bootstrap security tokens is gonna come up. If the key is already assigned to someone, you can see if I go here, I already have a key plugged in. So if I just click on it, it's already assigned to a user. So it already knows what user should get the credential. So it'll automatically go here. It'll tell me this is for this user. So I'm just going to click it and it's going to tell me, are you sure you want to install the identity? It's going to factory reset the YubiKey. I'm like, yeah, that's fine. And I click OK. It's going to ask me to pull it out and pull it back in. This resets the FIDO key, and then it's going to ask me to touch it. So now I touch it, and now it's going to ask me to touch it again. I touch it again. And so that created one of the two credentials, and now it's going to ask me to touch it again. I touch it again, and that creates the final credential. So now that key is ready for the user to get it. You give it to the user authenticates. If they already have a credential, they can authenticate and they just unblock it. If they don't have a credential, they can do identity verification where they scan their government ID and then they scan their face and they get in. And you can configure this, which ones you allow, which ones you don't allow, and so on. And then the last one is kind of like the classic one. They request a PIN. You come here, admin unblock security key. You enter their email address. You click next. You find the YubiKey that they have. And I click the wrong one. I'm supposed to go here and do the exact same thing again. And then if you have a serial number, you can enter it. If not, it's going to give you the list. You select the key that you want. It gets you the puck. You send that to the customer. He gets it. They plug in their key and they select PIN unblocking key if they don't want to do the other two because it's their first key and they don't have any identity. They're going to enter the puck here. They're going to enter their PIN. They're going to enter their PIN. They're going to click next. And as simple as that, now they have a key that has both FIDO key and a certificate smart card. So that's how you pre-enroll smart cards. And I'm just going to show you here real quick how they can just go into Azure and authenticate with Entra ID. So the user just comes here and I'm just going to do FIDO and they're going to select the key. They're going to enter their PIN. And as simple as that, they enrolled. So that's how simple it is to pre-enroll a YubiKey with EZCMS. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you have any questions, please let us know either in the comments down below or by emailing us.